What a delivery!
An important breakthrough for the fielding side. The batsman's departure changes the complexion of the game.
That's run away to the boundary. Oh, what a delivery!
A crucial wicket for the bowling side. The batsman departs after a promising start.
The only batsman needs to get off to a fast start if there'll be any chance of them chasing this mammoth total down. It's going to be really tough.
Great ball.
Yep.
And they get back for two.
Yep.
Good running, got back for two. One run there. And they get a single there. Plenty of wickets in hand, and heading into the final over should see some big shots. Keeps the score ticking over with that shot.
Yes.
Two runs there. One more added.
Yes.
Lots of pressure on the bowler there, and they pulled out a good one.